Hey there and welcome to another video in the series of learning by doing. In this video, we are going to build a film vibes. It's a cinema ticket application using Flutter and Dart. Before we start coding, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you like it so far. Also, the source code for the app in the GitHub repository, link in the description below. To build the project, you have two options. First one to check the GitHub commit history. Each commit represents a section. Second, to follow with me during the creation process. If so, let's deep dive in the coding. Start creating empty directory and then run create film vibes. Open source code with a Visual Studio Code and run iOS simulator on a Mac or Android Studio. First step as usual is to clean app and remove unnecessary code from main.dart and move my app widget to on file. For now let's have empty scaffold. Next step to remove a commit from public specs. Then add the dependencies such as barcode generator, cursor slider, icon generator, as well as the new logo. The new logo image located in the assets folder. Activate the Android and iOS option, then run the following command to generate the logo. At this point to see the logo changes, it might be good to remove the app from simulator, then build it again using Flutter clean and then Flutter run. From now on we're gonna build the actual app, starting with the create a needed directory under the library such as screens, themes, widgets. To make things easy to follow and understand, we're gonna build the widget. So create the following files and a cinema folder with the widgets inside. The first widget inside the widgets directory is the actor card that consists of the image and actor name. Filter widget consists of the filter option and show them as the chips. Info widget to show the movie information such as genre, duration, rating, that consists of the icon, title, and the value. Next widget is the ticket card, which consists of the column of two text widgets for a title and a value. Another widget is the ticket. In the app bar that have a background for an image and a close button, while the body have a consist of the column of the text to show the movie information such as a title, cinema screen, seat, starting date and time, and a barcode for the ticket. Most major widgets so far will be the movie details. Before implementation, let's create a book cinema screen empty widget, which is going to be updated later. Okay, let's keep going with the movie details widget. In the app bar that will be consist of the simple text, while the body will have a 5 internal small widget. The first one will be the movie header, which consists of the image and info widget for genre, duration, rating of the movie. Moving to the next widget, it consists of the title, represented with a text widget. Third widget is the movie description, which also a text widget, same as the movie title. Fourth internal widget is the list of the actor that show the information about the actor, such as a name and image. Last internal widget is the reservation button. On a press will open the book cinema screen. All of those internal widgets should have argument to pass such as a title, description, actor details, and so on to be more dynamic. Movie card is an clickable stack widget. On top will open the movie details. The card consists of the movie image, and on top of that will be a rating value. The movie carousel consists of the movie's images with the indicator of the current movie and option to open the movie details on top. For demo purpose, we're gonna create some random data at the end of the widget. You can replace it with a real one if you want. To build a cinema and booking system, we're gonna spend some time inside the cinema directory. First widget is the cinema screen painter, and that consists of the canvas with a gradient color. The cinema seat is a simple container widget with the 3 background colors that change depending on the availability. The clock item and data item widgets are similar. Both of them are scrollable horizontally. The only difference is the formatting the date. The legend item is a row with a container and text with a gap between. Let's update the book cinema screen widget. It's gonna be a wrapper for all the widgets that we created before. First widget to build the cinema screen painter. Second to show the screen or the whole name. Third one to build the grid of the seats using the cinema seat widget. Fourth widget is the legend part of showing available, selected, and reserved seat. Last section for showing date and time range with a price and buy button. We have built all the necessary widgets. Let's build the screen using all of them that we have created before. Let's cover screen. We will have the filter options to current month or upcoming playlist. Then the movie carousel, then the movie information such as duration, title, and Sharana. In the home screen will be a search bar, filtering, text for trials, and movie carousel. In the last screen, the ticket will be with 2 tabs for upcoming reservation or expired tickets. The tab body is a list of movies. Tapping will open the ticket details. Last widget is the screen wrappers to make the navigation between the screens smoother and easy. It consists of the bottom navigation with a range up to 3. Each one will have the icon and tapping will open the target screen. Move back to my app widget and replace the scaffold with the screens wrapper. Make sure to rerun the application again to see all the updates. And that was everything in this video. If you reached this point, that means it was useful. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also check another videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.